Oh boy. Okay. All right, this is going well.
This is a perfect 2-person, 1-dog boat.
We rediscovered a song that we haven't sung in so long. Do you guys remember this song? Let your word be louder than my fears. Let your joy be greater than my grief. I have set my heart on you.
Right.
Okay, we did real good.
We robbed that place.
Not really.
We wore our masks and everything.
Oh my gosh.
No, but it feels like we did.
So we needed to pick up prescriptions.
We have Dexcoms in there. We have some other pills.
And then we had 2 coupons to use. 1 free beauty item.
$5 or less, so we got
Hair ties. These are my favorite kind. Well, I also like the phone cord, so I use both, phone cord and this. So we got that for free, and then Peter picked out.
I got these.
That was not a beauty item.
They were on sale. We had like rewards. I think because we fill our prescriptions here. Okay, I think because we fill a lot of prescriptions, we get like rewards. And so we have $5.80 just credit, and then the beauty item.
And we don't want them to disappear.
So we, like, often they have deals on cereal. Like they are normal price for this cereal is like $5.30 or something. And it was on sale for $1.99, So we rang up these 3 items plus the hair ties, and then what was the total? It was $19.25. And then we applied all our coupons, and it was 20 cents.
it was awesome. We felt
like we robbed the place.
well, we didn't.
We felt successful.
Yeah, like we got a good deal. So that was a fun shopping trip. 20 cents.
Okay, we're getting a little nourishment for our weary bodies, but I have a theory, and I found this routine or this pattern, and I have a theory that's based on, Mary informed me this is Pavlov's theory, is that what it's called? Where every time Mary shakes her all-trace bottle and dumps the all-trace in her hands, I take a drink. And because, the reason I'm realizing this is because every time I see her with all-trace in her hand, I realize I'm taking a drink and she needs the drink. So
he always hands me the drink.
I always hand her the drink. And here's my theory is that subconsciously, whenever I hear that noise of the all-trace in the bottle, I know that Mary needs a drink. But what I do is I take a drink. So anyways, you should like secretly test it on me. Like shake your all-trace bottle sometimes and see if I take a drink. Might be. So I told Mary this and she said, I think you need to like get a grant and do CF research on the sound of all-trace and if that
makes all caretakers take a drink.
We're kidding, but kind of curious.
Guess where we're going? Ollie, you want to go do float boat?
If you guys missed a couple weeks ago, we sold our boat.
And I will remember you.
But today, it's almost 100 degrees and we're going to the lake and we're taking our tube and we're going to the beach without our boat. It's gonna be a blast.
So we're calling it float boat because that thing floats and it'll be our boat. love the float boat? You do? He's got his favorite buoy. And I've got my favorite man. I was hanging off the back here with my legs in, swimming for back power. He's the arm power. Uh-oh. Oh boy. Here. Oh boy. Oh dear. Okay. Oh boy. Oh no. Okay. Oh, there he goes. Ollie, come with us.
Bring it. Come.
Here we go.
Gotta come back to the boat.
Oh,
Sail.
we sail. Yes. We have a wet bag with all our goodies in it.
Come on up. We went from a 19-foot, 135 horsepower to a 3-foot, 2-arm power. Okay.
And we're okay with that. Oh boy. Okay. All right. This is going well.
This is a perfect 2-person, 1-dog boat.
Happy boy.
Happy people, happy family. Mary wanted to bring Harry, but Harry is just a house cat, not a lake cat.
Oh boy. Oh dear. We're getting really far in the lake. It started raining.
Like full sun and rain coming down, so we could see like raindrops across the water. Is it still doing it? I feel like I still see a spitter spatter of rain, but we went out like way past that buoy, and we were just out there floating, and Ollie would run, or not run, he would swim and get his little buoy thing and bring it back on the float, and we were just taking turns like, you feel the rain?
I think I feel the rain.
Taking turns just laying on the float, swimming in the water.
We had the time of our life.
Yeah, we did. And
Ollie, did you love it?
that's
you have
so fun.
I'm so glad.
All right, we're gonna load up and say,
As always.
we'll see you tomorrow.
Good night, guys.
Ollie, do you want to say goodnight? Say goodnight.